plasterwork here needs sorting out against the beams, so I'm going to have to paint the ceiling and paint the beams as well. Well, first of all, I need to straighten up this edge a little bit. A lot of plaster, this is where I've been working to. A lot of plaster sitting over. So I've just been using my scraper, filling blade, old filling blade, and just scraping that off. Getting some form of an edge. Do that all the way around. Warm soapy water and a cloth. Cold water, diluted PVA. With warm water I can go around and clean any splashes off. Just generally clean the walls up. Areas like this. And then quick wipe over the beams and then seal the plaster with the PVA. After cleaning down and wiping, looking a bit different. Some of this will still be left. Been bonded with the PVA when the plaster has done this. So cleaned off the beams as best as I can. Now with PVA diluted in the bucket, I'm literally scrubbing this in. And with my damp cloth, just come back over this edge here. That's all I need to do. The first coat of emulsion, I'll be able to see anything that needs filling. So at the minute, I'm just going around touching up plaster. I'm not doing the whole wall yet. There's a few jobs I need to do. So just working the brush up beam. Just make sure you feather off those edges. Soon dries into that plaster. Okay. And then just mini roll or just feather this into the rest of it. I've mixed a hard stop on my board with polyfiller and some paint in my scuttle there. So the edges now, what I've worked up to, anywhere like this, I can do some filling. Generally, it's not too bad, but what that has done is it's just given me areas where it's been highlighted, you know, these gaps, make it easier, quicker. A little bit of filler in them. And also where the plaster has been feathered off, I'm just going over and just filling the odd little bit. There might be a little bit of a divot here and there, but that's not too bad. Getting them filled up. And I'm ready for my next stage. And there's not really a great deal of filling, just little bits here and there. Rub it into the edge. And damp cloth. In the process of putting some black on the beams. Not touched the walls yet, they want 2 coats of paint. So just working up to here now, I've already done this section, and what I will be doing is bringing this in here as well. That should be done, but it's not been. It's been painted in the past. Bottom of the staircase, so that'll look good. Add to the rest of this. I'm literally working the brush, just bringing it up. It doesn't have to be totally straight, but I want to get it all in them edges. Pure bristle brush, and just work it into that edge. Anything that's awkward, get a smaller brush and deal with it. Last little bit. I will be giving this one 2 coats, but the rest I'll just be touching up. Because again, the walls want 2 coats of emulsion yet. Okay, well, they're looking good. That just finishes it off there at that back end. So leave it to dry, 2 coats of emulsion, and we'll have a look at the finish.